Binigyang parangal ang ilang kapuso personalities sa Manila Overseas Press Club Grand Journalism Awards. Kabilang dyan si GMA Network Chairman and Advisor Felipe L. Gozon na ginawaran ng Lifetime Achievement in TV and Journalism Award. Nakatutok si Von Aquino.
4 sa 12 parangal ang iginawa ng prestiyosong Manila Overseas Press Club Grand Journalism Awards sa mga personalidad ng GMA Network. Lifetime Achievement in TV and Journalism 2024-25 Award ang iginawad kay GMA Network Chairman and Advisor Felipe L. Gozon para sa kanyang mahusay na trabaho at track record sa law at media. Dahil sa kanyang pamamahala, naging pinakamahusay at pinakapinagkakatiwala ang radio at TV network ang GMA na may 84 million viewers at presensya sa lahat ng media platforms.
This recognition is very important and meaningful to me because, one, this is only the second time in 80 years of its existence that the MOPC is giving these awards. Number two, the MOPC as the first and oldest press club in the Philippines enjoys an importance and reputation second to none among the press clubs in the country.
Kinilala rin bilang Journalist of the Year 2024-25 ang award-winning journalist and host na si Jessica Soho dahil sa kanyang 40 taong excellence sa broadcast journalism.
What I know for sure, we are needed now more than ever. For as long as there are voices who need to be heard, rights that need to be protected, lives that need to be changed for the better, we have to keep telling the truth and the stories of our people. Thank you, MOPC, for recognizing the work that we do.
Television Reporter of the Year 2024-25 naman, si Balitanghali anchor Rafi Tima dahil sa kanyang husay sa TV at broadcast reporting sa Pilipinas at abroad.
To be adjudged as the best amongst my peers is both a great privilege and one that bears a great deal of pressure. Marami pong magagaling sa industriyang ito. At para mapabilang sa inyong magagaling, ay tuloy na nakakataba ng puso.
Radio Broadcaster of the Year 2024-25 naman, si DZBB anchor Melo Del Prado. Kinilala ng MOPC ang kalidad ng kanyang pagiging mamamahayag sa radyo sa loob ng 36 na taon.
Para kilalanin ang inyong lingkod ng mga nauna sa akin, ng mga taong kinukonsidera ko na mas malawak ang karanasan kaysa sa akin ay isang napakalaking karangalan po. Pasado pala ako sa panlasa nila. Salamat po, MOPC.
Ang MOPC ay ang pinakauna at pinakamatandang press club sa Asia na itinatag noong 1945. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Von Aquino, nakatutok 24 oras.